All right. Let's tear this baby apart. Doing this with a sprained thumb isn't pleasant, I can tell you that. Don't know if there's pressure on there. Right now. Make sure there's not. I'm going to say yes. And long it. Yeah, let me see. Manhandling that one. Yeah, no room in there, huh? Turns out I gotta manhandle this one. Can't get my ratchet wrench in there. Hey now. There you go. Good roll. Stabilizer pin's bent also. Well, I can probably straighten that. Possibly. Get rid of you. Well, I thought I'd get this apart today. I guess I'm not. Now I gotta run and do more work. At least want to see behind all this to get an idea. Sure, grab my little impact. Make it easier, faster. Now he called me, I forgot what I did with the dang bolt. Don't want my hand anywhere near that. think I do. I think I do. Yeah, blinky. All right. Put that off, didn't I? Yeah. Damn it, I ain't got no swivel. My swivel is MIA. Alright, it's gonna take long that one out. One arm down, one arm to go. Halfway there. That's gonna be a fun one. You made it impossible to get to, didn't you? You no room, that's for sure. No room. We pull it out there, you just come on this way. Oh, that's what I didn't want to do. You fuck. That one. Put it in this hole. This one in this hole. Alright, I got a mess in here. I had a little break in work earlier. I came, took everything apart, had to go back to work. So I got all apart earlier, so now I've been working at getting everything to fit again. So, this is an expensive strut, and it's broke. But the eyelet is replaceable. It's like 119 bucks for that. I've never changed one. My nephew's going to get involved in that too, to see about refilling the nitrogen after taking it apart. So that's one fix I got to do. I spent the last hour or so. I took this off, got it straight. It was all like an S. It was just folded around. That's a strong little stabilizer pin, I can tell you that. So I got that straight enough to be salvageable. My tie rod end was folded like a 45-degree right here. Nothing a pipe can't fix. I just got a pipe in there, a couple blocks of wood, and it's got a little zigzag in it, but it's enough to work. It'll get me by, because it's going to happen again. You know it is. This was all ripped out. You can see it, because this end was here, so it just ripped all this out. This was all folded back. I got all nice. We're supposed to go again. There's a washer like this on this side I'm going to weld on, and I'm going to weld this piece back in, and this washer on there. So that'll be plenty strong enough. So after that, lost my nut already. It's somewhere here. They make a winch plate for a winch, which I'm going to put on, but I think it bolts here, 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 and here. And this goes away. So I want a winch anyways. If it does, then I'm going to get that and stick it on here, and it's going to help the durability of this. And I'll just weld this and stick this on top of that to make it even stronger. So that's the plan there. Of course, like I said, I'm going to weld this back in there too. The control arms are shot. This one's upside down. I just used it to get my gap right in here, because this was folded back and I had to get it all straight where it needed to go again, and same with the front. The lower one is also destroyed. The ball joints are still good though, and they're just, I see there's just C-clips in there, so there's some spare ball joints. The new arms, I believe, come with the ball joints. If not, I'll just reuse these, because they're both still good. Ain't no wobble in them. They feel nice, tight still. Yeah, so I can just get my parts. Everything else looks good in there. I don't see any other damage besides the buckle right here where this A-arm folded and hit here and left a dent in it there. But I checked. I see no cracks, tears, or anything. I looked everywhere I could possibly see. Everything looks good. I see no other stretch marks anywhere. That means the control arm took most of the hit and most of the cushion, so it didn't hurt anything else. That's it. I can just get some parts ordered and go from there. Be continued. Peace out.